5 best science apps to make learning fun for kids.
Discover a world of interactive learning. This list explores the top science apps that turn complex ideas into fun and engaging experiences for kids. From hands-on experiments to animated adventures, these apps will inspire curiosity and foster a lifelong love of science.
Khan Academy Kids.
Khan Academy Kids offers a wide range of free science activities designed for children ages 2 to 8. Through stories, videos, and interactive quizzes, kids explore topics like animals, plants, space, and weather. The playful characters and adaptive learning paths ensure every child learns at their own pace, making science exciting and accessible.
Toca Lab Elements.
Toca Lab Elements introduces kids to the world of chemistry by letting them experiment with the periodic table's elements. Children interact with elements in a colorful lab, perform virtual experiments, and discover their properties in a safe environment. The playful approach and vibrant visuals make learning about chemistry both fun and memorable.
The Human Body by Tinybop.
The Human Body by Tinybop is an interactive exploration app where kids can virtually examine how the body works. With hands-on simulations and rich animations, children learn about organs, senses, and biological systems. The app encourages curiosity by answering big questions about how our bodies function in everyday life.
NASA Viz.
NASA Viz invites kids to discover space through stunning visuals, animations, and up-to-date stories from NASA. The app features interactive content on planets, stars, space missions, and Earth science. Young learners gain a front-row seat to the wonders of the universe, sparking their interest in astronomy and exploration.
Crazy Gears.
Crazy Gears helps kids develop problem-solving and scientific thinking through hands-on puzzles involving gears, pulleys, and levers. Children use critical thinking and creativity to work through challenges, learning key principles of physics and engineering along the way. The app's intuitive design makes learning about machines engaging and rewarding.
Making science learning fun.
Engaging science apps like these nurture curiosity, encourage experimentation, and make complex ideas simple. By blending play and discovery, they help children develop a deeper understanding of the world around them, proving that science learning can be both educational and truly fun.